Hello? 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 Am I live now? What happened? Hello? Hi? Hello? What the freak happened? I went live and I've been sitting here. I've been sitting here on, like, I clicked the live button on OBS, right? And then I clicked the live button on YouTube, and it's just been a loading symbol. And I refreshed the page, and it was just a loading symbol. Like, it did not want me to go live right now. It wanted me to go live late. You told me you'd be live in 2 hours, 3 hours ago? Really? Man, I'm messing everything up today. Hello, welcome to the stream. Hello, FAPS. Hi, Diamond Lock Productions. Hi, Danny Tux. Hi, Spike. Hi, Draco Dragonist. Hi, Malik. Hi, Gummy Bear. GBG Bedrock. Hi, Lucas. Hi, The Justice Player. Hi, Carity46. Hi, Confused Snail. Hi, Andy. Hi, Cool Frame. Hi, QB. Hi, Nick. Hi, K the Best. Hi, NC Alex. Hi, Lunatic Cultist. Hi, OJ TAP. Hi, Red Fox Lightning. Hi, Ruby Rose. Hi, my meal in the house. Hi, Dumb Dragon Guy 2. Hi, Blendy Goose. Okay. Hi, Rodrigo. Hi, Bad Design Brian. What's up? What's up, everybody? So, we're going to do a Wadiffit. Welcome. This is the Wadiffit page. The Wadiffit page. If you were not here for the last stream, then you probably don't know what Wadiffit is. And so, I'm going to show you what Wadiffit is first by going over here. Wadiffit is this game right here, okay? Pretty simplistic game. You have this little guy. This is Wadiffit. You have some collectibles. You can jumpy. And there are some enemies, some Robiffits. And then you have the button, which is how you win. So let's actually start the game. And you'll see that this game is just a generic type of game where I'm walking around. I'm collecting different little collectibles. Look at that. I got all these collectibles. I'm so cool and epic. And then I'm going to dodge the robo bad guys. I'm going to go there. I can also run to move a little bit faster. And then I win by jumping on that, and I win. But how the game works, let me actually do this. How the game works is every single time we start the stream, the game starts off back at that spot. And we have these modifiers here. You could see these 3 white dots. I can also add more dots as we go on. But basically, you're going to suggest things. And if I read it and I like it, or I guess if I read it and I like it and I think it's possible, I might put it into this list, and then we're going to add it into the game. And at the end of the stream, well, by the end of the stream, we'll have some sort of weird version of the game. We did a test one on the last stream, and there was Minecraft Pringles, and there's cheese. It was interesting. So, this is not a game that's going to become a real game. This is just for fun for the stream and maybe for some YouTube videos. So your suggestion might get into the game, which then might be in a YouTube video, which that'd be pretty cool. You'd be on a YouTube video. You'd be like famous. You'd be so famous like me. I'm so famous. I guess there's 2 other things that I want to say. The one other thing that I want to say is, hi, Otter. I'm going to add another thing. I'm adding another thing to the list. If you see down here on the bottom right, the Wonder Pond logo. The Wonder Pond logo is actually have been updated. Look at that. It's different than it was before. I've retooled the logo, and it looks different and it looks better. And I wanted to actually say that the logo is different for one specific reason, because a lot of you don't understand what the Wonder Pond logo is, why it exists, what it's even about. And Wonder Pond is actually my game developer name. So Fairlii is my YouTube channel name, but Wonder Pond is my game developer name. That's also why the Discord server is called the Wonder Pond Discord server. So my itch page, oh gosh, my itch.io page is going to become Wonder Pond soon. And also, if you were to look up my games like on Steam or something, you would have to look up Wonder Pond. So that's what Wonder Pond is, and that's the difference between Wonder Pond and Fairlii. And if any of you are wondering, oh god, my throat. If any of you are wondering why it's called Wonder Pond, it's just a cool sounding name. I'm imagining like it's a little pond, and it's very calm and very relaxing, and it's like the water is like ideas, and there's just wonder coming out of this pond. So that's that. Okay. Now, you guys have been suggesting things. Keep suggesting things, and I'm just going to start seeing ones that I like, and then I'm gonna do it. So make your suggestions. What if it was crazy? What if it was wacky? Also, shout out to all the members. Thank you, members. If you want a cool colored name with an icon next to it and emojis, and also being able to see my videos early and extra behind the scenes and epic videos, check out the link in the description to become a member, or the join button. You can become a member for as low as $2. I said that really good. Okay. Add the ability to control your current gravity direction. That's wacky. Wait a minute. That's wacky. Make a projectile shaped like a girl in a dress. I know what you're doing, Brian. I know what you're doing, and I can use that exact sprite. What if you could throw coins to make enemies leave you alone, like bribing them? That's a cool idea. Add spherical capsules that give power-ups when stood on. Whoa, okay, these are, okay. Interesting. Add a timer so you can speedrun the level. That's a neat idea. What if all the sprites were made by the Discord art community? Oh shoot, do we want to... that would be crazy. What if you could fall through the ground randomly? That's, okay, I'm picking that one. I'm picking that one so far. Fall through the ground. It works. It fits, guys. It fits. Let's remove the word randomly. Just say fall through the ground. Coins make you bigger. Enemies make you smaller. If you get big too big, you die. If you get too small, you die. What? That's such a weird... That is such a weird idea. RPG. Oh god, make it a hunger system. Should we add a hunger system? That's a funny idea. Hunger system. I like that idea. I like that. What if it was Minecraft without the Pringles? The air, what if the air was water? Oh man. These are some, you guys have some crazy ideas. A boss that comes out of the Wonder Pond. The food from the hunger system should be cheeseburgers. Give the character a sword. You can bounce off enemies if you time a downward attack. Whoa, these are crazy. Cookie, but if you eat it, you explode? What if it was an actual space dude and had low gravity at all times? I like that. I like that. I like that. Space gravity. All right. So what we're going to do now is we have our first 3. If you have your other suggestions, we can just keep them in mind. I can always go back and chat. But we're going to add these first 3, which is fall through the ground randomly, a hunger system, and space gravity. This is going to be very interesting. So, how would we do a hunger system? I'm thinking what we do here is I actually can import from different spot. Also, thank everybody for showing up to the stream. I'm so excited to do these Wadiffits. I've been thinking about it ever since I came up with the idea, and I'm like, oh, this is so perfect for my streams because I don't have to code very well. We can all just kind of hang out and chill, but there's still also game development going on. And then we create some like real wacky doodle dandy kind of things. I need to grab this. I'm cheating the system. I'm grabbing the hunger points from Jellyfields that are no longer in the game because the jelly does not get hungry anymore. And then I'm going to do this. Right? Like that. So now we have these 3. And what we're going to do is we're going to grab Wadiffit wherever the heck in the world I put Wadiffit right there. We're going to add a new empty game object. We're going to call it hunger. And then it's going to be, let's actually just put a sprite renderer on this bad boy so we can, I'm just going to put one of these here so I can see where this is. Okay. We want this to be right here. Let's remove this. And then we'll create another empty and we'll call it hunger point. And then this is going to have a sprite renderer. And then we're going to do that. What if it is going to have three hunger? So there's the second one. And there's the third one. So 3 possible hunger. And in this hunger script or hunger object, we're going to create a hunger script. Yes, yes, yes. You eat the Wadiffits? Oh gosh, you guys are crazy. I need some chill after being sweaty in games. What games are you being sweaty in first? What games are you sweaty in? Also, what if you guys have any snacks or any drinks? Let me know what you got. I just ate a piece of pizza right before I went live, and I'm drinking Coca-Cola. I'm a true American. Dead Cells. Never played that game. One of my friends was just talking about Dead Cells. Was it Dead Cells, Otter? I think Morgan said Dead Cells. He asked you if you played Dead Cells, I'm pretty sure. We need the return of Sharp Cheddar. Yeah, Dead Cells. See, I remember things about you sometimes, Otter. That's how good of a friend I am. Sometimes. Just sometimes. So, the hunger is going to go down on a timer. So, I'm going to make a float. And then I'm going to make another. It's loading. Why is it loading? Come on. Come on, Visual Studio. What are you doing? You can't be loading. You can't be loading. Oh. We're going to make a public float. And we're going to call this hunger timer. And we're gonna make a second float called hunger timer max. And then on update, we're gonna say hunger timer minus equals time dot delta time. And then if wahoo! If hunger timer is less than or equal to 0, and then we're going to say like void get hungry. We're gonna call it get hungry. So when that happens, then we're going to get hungry. We also need a list of sprites. So I'm gonna make a public list of sprite, hunger sprites. I want to spell this correctly. And then we need a public int hunger. And then a public int max hunger. Okay. So at the start, hunger is going to equal max hunger. And get hungry. We also need a reference to a public health. And then we're going to say if hunger is less than or equal to 0, health dot damage. Okay, and we're gonna say hunger minus, and then I'm actually going to do no, I'm not gonna do hunger sprites. We're gonna do a public game object hunger. I'm gonna call it hunger physical, and then we want a public list game object hunger sprites. And then Anthony, I'm revolting against you. What are we revolting against? What's wrong with me? I treat Otter good. I am a good friend to Otter. She can't say anything. She can't stand up to me. She just asked me if we wanted to play games together. Yeah, the hunger timer. Yeah, you're correct. Hunger timer will get set back to the max. Sorry, I'm trying to rush through this. It was so cool to meet you in person. Thanks for being so nice. Thank you, Coin Ring Creation. Several hours ago isn't just asked. I had to do stuff for Jelly Fields, and then after the stream, me and you can hang out, Otter. I do want to hang out with you. I want to play the video games with my good friend Otter, one of my bestest buds. So I'm gonna get rid of these because these just annoy me for like being here. Okay, and then so when we get hungry, we're gonna need to. I'm trying to figure out how to do this, but listen, we're gonna be crazy, so we can just code this as nasty as we want to. So we can. I'm not even gonna do a switch statement. I'm gonna say we're gonna make people mad. We're gonna code this horribly because we can. If hunger equals, so the max is gonna be 3. So we're gonna say 2. Yeah. let's code this really badly, just for the fun of it. So if hunger equals 2, hunger sprites 0, 1, 2 dot set active false. And then we're going to instantiate the hunger physical at hunger sprites 2 dot transform dot position, and then quaternion dot identity. I actually want to put this above here just for the sake of myself. Look at how badly I'm gonna do this. And then if it's 1, then it goes to 1. And then if it goes to 0, then it goes to 0. And if hunger is equal to 0, we're actually going to... Yeah. We're just gonna do that here. Okay? So how this is gonna happen is whenever the hunger timer goes down, the hunger is gonna go down, and then it's going to change the visual. So for the time being, we're gonna be a little bit silly and wacky and crazy. We're going to do this. Grab these 3, and then put those into hunger sprites. And then we're gonna set our max hunger to 3, and the health is gonna be on Wadiffit. The hunger timer max is gonna be 2 seconds. So every 2 seconds, we're gonna just do that. I actually need the timer, the hunger timer to equal hunger timer max, just because I know I'm gonna screw this up later. Let me read chat now. I'm famous. Otter's famous? Oh yeah, what if I switch off? What if I switch to VS Code? Oh, no. Fairlii add the British banana. What does that mean? Why did you change your YouTube name to that? Let me go to this screen so I can see that. Someone changed their name to that. Why? Why would you do that? Combine hunger and health? Yeah. It's gonna be a thing. It's gonna be a thing. Just check it out. And then the hunger physical, we don't have that right now. So the hunger physical is just going to be a coin for the time being. So this should maybe work. Except it's going in the wrong order. And then you die when you're fully hungry. When you're too hungry, you die. But you get money in the process. Yay. Oh. So it's because these aren't in order. Duh. So it needs to be like this one, then this one, and then that one. Let's actually just remove all of these and then just do that again. Cause I'm a silly boy for doing that. No wait, now it's backwards. It needs to be this way. No wait. This one needs to be first. It was correct. It was correct. Let's see. Nope. Had it right the first time. When I had my initial doubts, I was actually correct. Now we did it. There we go. Okay. British banana. So is the British banana Is the British banana going to be the food that we need to eat to regain our hunger? We're going to make an empty game object here, and we're going to give it a sprite renderer, and the sprite of it is going to be the hunger point. We're going to put it on the sprites layer. I also need to make sure that I put these three also on the sprites layer. And this is going to be our hunger point. We're going to add a rigid body 2D to this and a box. I don't think it needs a collider, right? If I don't put a collider, it's just going to fall. Cool. And then we want it to rotate. Dang. Okay. Velocity. We're gonna just add a hunger point. We're just gonna add this script to it. Fairlii, I want to say that you are one of the 2 people who inspired me to start trying game design. The other one is Danny. I just want to say thank you and RIP Jelly World. Thank you, Alpha Gang, for being inspired by me as well as Danny. Shout out to Danny. I need to message him and ask him how he's doing. I haven't talked to the fella in a while. RIP Danny? Did Danny quit YouTube or something? Hey, Fairlii, I just want to say that you are 13 of the 15 people who inspired me to start trying game design. The other ones are Jack Black and Chris Pratt. I absolutely hate that you said that. I think he is on a long break. Well, game development does take a very long time, so he's probably working on a game that is going to be insane. Hey, Fairlii, Ben Bonk inspired me, but you're cool as well, I guess, and thanks for streaming stuff. I'll tell Ben right now. I'm gonna open up Discord. And I'm gonna go to Ben Bonk in the DMs, and I'm going to say, this guy on my YouTube live said that you are their inspiration and that I'm just cool. All right. Has been noted. You just got bonked. You just got bonked. Wait, can I do this? Hold on. Does this work? If I join this, will this play? Will this play? Wait, hold on. I just joined a Discord channel just to do that. I need to turn streamer mode back on. Well, how do you turn streamer mode on? Streamer mode. Enable. Could you guys hear it? I used a Discord soundboard for the bonk. Okay, you guys are distracting me. I'm no longer a streamer. All right, Visual Studio. We want this hunger point. We want to say... We want to grab a private rigid body 2D RB. RB equals get component. Rigid body 2D. So we want to grab the rigid body. Nope, it removed the P out of that. And then we're going to say RB dot set rotation. How do you rotate it? Rotation equals 60. What if I did that? I'm being stupid. I don't know why I'm forgetting how to do this. It's literally once I start streaming, I can't remember how to code. That just changes the angle. Uh. Yuck. What are you making? What? Why do you say yuck? You know, I'm just gonna, I'm gonna do this. This is what I actually really wanted to do. Is it the style of games you ever wanted to make, or you have a goal with pixel art? What do you mean? At the beginning, we wanted to say rb.addForce. And then we're gonna say force1 2d.impulse. It's actually gonna be a random.range between 2 and 5. I don't know. Argin cannot convert. Oh, right. Yeah, new vector 2. I don't want it to be 0. Or I guess I'm gonna do random.range. I'm gonna have to change these numbers around a bit. Whoa. Okay, let's see what that does. Is this the design you always wanted to have? Yeah, I've always wanted to do pixel art. This specific game, though? Maybe not. Okay, 1 and 2 is too little. 2 and 2. We'll do 2 and 5 for this, and then this one is going to be 10 to 20. Is that going to work? Pixel art is very fun, and it's very pleasing. It's very fun to look at. It's very fun to make. There we go. But we actually want it to be -5 to 5. And then add relative force. We're going to add torque. Random. What is this going to do if I do that? It's not times by delta time, so bleh. Fairlii, you are single-handedly responsible for my love of video game development. Wow. Can you please stop spamming it? Thank you, but if you spam it, you're going to get banned, sadly. Fairlii, please create a Mountain Dew power-up that increases your speed and jump high for 15 seconds. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Remember that one, guys. Remember that one, because we might have to add that one later. Okay. So this is good. This is good. We have this, and we're going to rename it as Hunger Point. And then I'm just going to drag this into my prefabs. And then we're going to delete it. Gonna go to good old hunger here, and then the hunger physical is the hunger point. So now when Wadiffit loses hunger, it's gonna create like a little badoing that goes badoing and flies away. Very, very cute. This is actually way too much. Let's say 10 to 12. I timed them out already for spamming. Yeah. If you guys spam the same message or just spam too much, you will get timed out. That's on God. That's on Otter. Because Otter will be probably the one to do it. So now we have a hunger system. And we need to find a way to replenish the hunger. Why did Epic Games just open? Fairlii, C# is hard, so don't stress out, because I know it's hard. So what should the food be? What should the food be? Fortnite time! If it's hard, just switch programming languages. I don't think that's how that works. Oh yeah, the British banana. We have to do a banana. So how do we do a British banana? Well, we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out how to make a British banana. Because this is the most requested thing on Wadiffit so far. Just such a weird... You guys are weird. You guys are weirdos. You guys are straight up weird. My viewers are weird. I mean, look at me. I think I know where you guys get it from. It runs in the community. I need to look up pixel art banana. Oh, okay. I see what's happening here. So we need to get yellow. And we need to draw a like because we need to achieve this sort of shape, the banana shape. That is not it. You know what? Good enough. Good enough. Kind of looks like a boomerang. And then, well, actually, the top needs to be like... No, I don't want to have the bottom part. That's a good looking banana. You can almost tell that's what it's supposed to be. Alright, I'm just making it even worse. I feel like I should like go out a bit. It's okay. But now we need to make it British? Somehow? I'm just making this look worse and worse. I need to just... Fine. Make it a little more banana. No, it's fine. It looks like a banana. It looks great. And to make it British, I know exactly what we're gonna do. Let me close this really quick. And let me go to... why can't I find what I'm trying to find? Oh, because it's in there. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. We're gonna do this. Ah, it's bothering me that it's not even. It's gonna be on the very top. Monocle? The monocle would... That doesn't really work very well. That's a banana, guys. How did you get into game development? My friend showed me Construct 2 and was like, hey, this is a cool thing. So I started making things in Construct 2. And now I made a British banana. I actually want to do... We'll do this. We'll do this. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. And then we'll get some white. And then we need blue. Blue. It's looking a little bit interesting at the moment. Trust me, guys, it's the British flag. Don't think about anything else. It's a British flag inside the banana. The blue is not the correct blue. I have to get a different blue. Hold on. We need like a darker blue. Let's go with like a dark blue. Is this how this flag even is? Doesn't the flag have like a line up and down? It's a British banana. It's a banana in it. Here we go. I guess this is just gonna go into that. What have we created? All right, we gotta save this. And then I'm gonna need to bring this into the game. My God, what have we done? What have we done? What have I let you do? A British banana. And we're gonna go into our sprites. And we're gonna get this banana. We're gonna put it in here. We're gonna set all the stuff. And now we're gonna create a empty game object with a sprite renderer, and we're gonna give it this. And food. Just gonna call the script food. Bro, no way you're adding this. I'm doing what the community wants. How long are you planning to stream? For a little bit longer. Fairlii. It's too much, Fairlii. Fairlii. People that I've talked to that NFT support, get out of here. People that I talk to that are like from the UK and they say Fairlii, they say Fairlii. So food. The food, we're just gonna say on trigger enter 2D. Other, we're being lazy. We're just gonna say if other dot get component player controller is not equal to null, so that it has a player controller. Then we're gonna just say other dot get component in children hunger dot hunger plus plus, and then we need to go in here. We need to make a new thing called public void eat. I'm being silly, so I'm gonna add food onto the end of it. Eat food. And then we're gonna remove this. Whoops. Eat food. And then the hunger is gonna go up, and then we're gonna take this. Man, I'm making programmers happy today. True. True. Then we just remove this. And then we also need it. We actually need to do 2, 3. Then we need to remove the damage. And then we need to have the food destroy the food. Kyle Otter. Oh yeah, we coding, baby. Yep, real good looking code too. So we got our British banana here. And then we gotta add a box collider to it. And we're making it a trigger. And we're gonna rename this to British banana. Now let's see if it does this. I lost 1 health. I have regained the health because I have eaten a banana. Okay. Now we need to make this a prefab. Okay. Here. And then we need to strategically place bananas. Unless there should be a specific... No, we're not going to get that crazy. We're going to get crazy in different streams. You're going to have to go a long way without a banana. First banana there. This banana. No banana there. So we're going to... How long should Wadiffit have without being... Like, without having a banana? We're going to say 7 seconds. Let's see how that looks. I'm rushing to this banana. Oh no, I've lost hunger, but I got it back. Oh no. I'm losing. I've lost hunger. Oh, but I've eaten the banana. I'm back. And I've won. Let's make this a little more urgent. Let's make it 5.5 seconds. Hi, Delana. Boing. Boing. Oh, no. I need my British banana. Oh, I got one. Oh, no, but I've lost the hunger again. Oh, shoot. Desperate times. Oh, freak. Oh, no, I need to make it to the end. Oh, I win, but I think I'm going to die at the end. You still die if you wait long enough. You win for a little bit there. I texted you. I see. Why not you respond? Oh, I didn't even realize you texted me. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's add the next Wadiffit. So, fall through the ground. We need to do that. And space gravity. Space gravity would be pretty easy, right? But I have an idea. I texted you too. Did you, Aya? Oh, Ben Bonk responded. Let's see what Ben Bonk said. Here, guys. Here. I'm opening this up in a Sprite. Where is it? A Sprite. This is the response I got. Yeah, well, I tried. I don't have your number, so I'm just going through all of them until I get the right one. I see. Okay. So now we need to do space gravity, which I got some pretty cool ideas. I got some ideas here. So we can be lazy, right? As per usual. You know me, I'm always being lazy. And we could just take the gravity and we could just set it to like 0.2 so that I just boom, boom. Whoa, space gravity. Uh-oh. That was a little too much. That makes the game kind of unplayable. We'll set it to 0.3. Dum. Dum. I can actually do this. Hold on, I got an idea. If I go to the project settings, gravity. What will that do? Well, maybe not that. What'll this do? Am I going up or down? Nope. Okay. Let's just keep how it was. And then we'll do this. We're just gonna do what I just did. I'm gonna set it to 0.2. I think that was what I wanted. Yeah. And then we're also going to go to our hunger point, and we're going to open that up, and we're going to set that one to 0.2 as well. And then we're going to go to Wadiffit, and we're going to set that to 0.2 as well. So when the hunger goes, because of the moon gravity, the hunger is going to like... Goodbye, hunger! Whoa! Is this even possible anymore? Quick, get it! Perfect. And what we'll do with these guys, we're actually going to change their walk speed to 0.1, and their gravity scale is actually going to be... What if I do that? What will this do? Okay. Okay, that's way too much. I want it to be... There, okay. Almost. Almost. Maybe... There we go. And then I'm gonna go in here, and I'm actually just gonna add a... that. Load. Huh. 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 Don't think I did that right. What are French quesos? What is a queso? Am I crazy? Too much spin. Too much spin. I want the spin to eventually get crazy, but I don't want it to start crazy. A croissant? Yeah, yeah, look, it's gonna start. It starts kind of slow. But as it goes on, is this what happens in space? You just start spinning so fast? I think I'd like to believe that's what happens in space. It's hard to get to the banana. I'm trying to find my little friend. Oh, hello, little friend. How are you doing? Oh, and he's gone. I can't draw a croissant. You guys think I'm good enough to draw a croissant? I never said I was adding that. Okay, I need to add the last Wadiffit, which is falling through the ground randomly. So all I'm gonna do for that is I'm just gonna take this box collider. We're gonna do this. This is what we're gonna do here. We're going to get Visual Studio, and then we're gonna add a new public flow fall through timer. And fall through timer max. We're gonna do the same thing. Fall through timer minus equals time dot delta time if fall through timer is less than or equal to 0. Whoops. And then we need a public bool can fall through. Actually, that's a lot of variables. Damn. There's a lot of variables in this game. Let's just say let's see. It's not really a lot of variables. You're ignoring me. Listen, I can't specifically do everything specifically for you. I'm actually going to do a different thing. We're going to say... We're going to do this. Public int fall through. And then we're going to say fall through max. We're going to do this. And then we're gonna say if is grounded. If it's not grounded, then we're gonna say fall through minus. And then if fall through is equal to 0. Then we're gonna say ground collider dot enabled equals false. And then at the start, we're just gonna set fall through equals random dot range between 2 and fall through max. You guys, we might have to save the croissant for next time. We can't waste the croissant on the first Wadiffit. Come on, guys. Come on. I'm going crazy. The maximum is going to be 8. So I think this is going to say that every time that you hit the ground, it's going to do that. And when it hits 0... Okay, that's just the ground collider. I need the public collider 2D. I'm just gonna call it collider. Blah, 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 ground collider. And then we need just collider. Okay. Don't forget the Mountain Dew. We're only doing one piece of food for right now. This one is 4 times. I'm being called right now. I'm being called. Oh my goodness. Let me answer this call. Hello? Hey. Yeah? Can you add a croissant, please? Hold on, let me put you on speaker. What did you say?
I said I'm gonna need you to add a croissant, my guy.
You need me to add a what?
A croissant.
Just gonna hang that call up. Just gotta hang up. I don't know who that was. I don't know how they got my number. That's a funny clip. Put that in the video. Put that in the YouTube video. Yeah, there was like a problem with the call. I don't know what happened with the call. I was trying to talk to the person on the other end and I don't know what happened. It's like hung up. I know what you meant was not what I meant, but I'm taking it that way. Okay, so I need to just this one. I want it to be this one. I want it to be this one, but I think if I drag this, it's gonna... Oh no. That's correct. Alright. And this is what you guys wanted. So now you are on a timer. You have to get to the end before your amount of jumps are gone. So you gotta really... You have to make every jump count. Yay! Hey! Yeah! I won and died at the same time. You guys made a fun game. What if the background was a picture of a bunch of children going to school? Why would you say that? Someone make a YouTube shorts of that. Someone put that in the clips, the highlight reel. That's the sound of jumping. Okay. I'm feeling like we should add one more Wadiffit for today. One more. We'll add one more for today. We gotta save some. We gotta save some because I want to keep doing this every week. Croissant. Add Celeste dash mechanic. We need to think. You guys need to think of what would work with this, what we have. So maybe we can modify one of these things. We can add a new thing. A bird that lays eggs on your head. Mountain Dew. You guys just want Mountain Dew? Mountain Dew. Okay. Chicken nugget. A recoil mechanic. Mountain Dew is overrated. I might get sponsored from... I might get sponsored from Mountain Dew if I add that to the game. A bean burrito that recharges a dash ability. You know what? Guys in your stupid croissant PNG. You know what? I'm not even gonna get a PNG. I'm even gonna get a PNG. This right here. Save image. Where's the folder? Right here. That. Take this. And my sprites. Drag that in. Actually, wait, I gotta add this to the list. Croissant. Croissant. Alright. We're gonna that. And we're gonna add a sprite renderer. We're gonna add this. And we're gonna do this. We're gonna add the hunger point to it. But we're also gonna add croissant. Right? Croissant. It's pronounced qua. That's me trying to do French. Croissant. And now we need to do this, and we just need to say, how do I do transform dot is move towards in here? Why can't I type? No? 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 We're gonna do this. How about we do this? Since I'm coding things stupid, let's do it this way. Public game object. Wadiffit. If Wadiffit dot transform dot position dot x is less than transform dot position dot x. We need a rigid body 2D RB. Croissant. Actually, we're gonna say RB dot velocity equals new vector 2, and then we're gonna say public float move speed x, public float move speed y. You know what? There's typos, but we don't care. Hi, Pablo. How you doing, Pablo? Pablo, we're working on a second album. Whoa! I don't know if I'm allowed to say that or not. Chat doesn't even know what I'm talking about, and they'll never know. I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right. Too many variables. Are you trolling, Daniel? There's like 4 things. You know, because you hacked onto my Discord. Oh no. We're doing different things this time, Pablo. So this is saying what if it is to the left? So if it's to the left, we need to move negative. Let me say else we do positive, and then we just take this, and then we gotta say the position dot y dot y, and then we need to say rb dot velocity dot x, we can just copy this, paste this, and then set it to move speed Y. Move speed. I don't know what just happened there. Okay. So now we're saying if it's less than, then we need to go up and then down. Right? I think that's correct. We'll see if this works. The way I've named these things. Rigid body 2D. We need a box collider. That's going to be a trigger. We're going to actually remove that. 2 and 2. And Wadiffit is this. RB is this. Is this going to actually do what I want it to do? No. Wrong way. Okay. Yo, I'm back. Welcome back. Did you see that I added the British banana? Ah! 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 Perfect. Can I just add... Can I just do that? Is it gonna crash? It needs this. It needs this. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, it's being overwritten by this. I just want to make it destroy the player. On trigger, enter 2D. Other. I always write other. If other dot game object equals Wadiffit dot get component health dot damage. L to Kyle. What happened to Kyle? Who's Kyle? Who's this Kyle guy? Never heard of him. Ugh! And then we're gonna do all of this if Wadiffit is not equal to null. Hacha! Oh god, I clicked the button too many times. Ah! Ah! Oh! And when he dies, watch what the croissant does. It just falls. Hero. And we gotta name this croissant. And then we have to we'll make it go slower. I wanted to start off behind you, and I wanted to move. Oh shoot, I fell through. I actually wanted to move. Can I do this? I got an idea. I got an idea. This. Will this work? Game development. If I'm doing game development without being serious, it's actually kind of really fun. When just adding things for the fun of it. Ah, no. Oh, no. I think it always needs to be negative. You're watching the stream while cleaning your mother's car. Good job. So it's the opposite? Now give it a gun. No. Dang it. I wanted to always come towards you. But it's just going away from you. Why is it doing that? Wait. I'm confused. Did I just do this wrong? Did it not, like, save or something? So that's positive. I'm so confused. What? It's whatever. I'm just gonna do it how it was before. I can't think of what I'm trying to think of. This. So what if it is behind you? Then you want to go backwards. Goodbye, Fairlii. I have to go get a slushie. I'm about to end the stream, by the way, guys. Just letting you know. Hey, man, how did you learn the basics of Unity? Is there like a good and bad way, or is it just tutorials? I read a bunch of stuff, watched tutorials. And eventually, after like years, it became good. Oh no! This game has turned from calm little platformer to run from the might of the dough, dashing over and under obstacles while making sure your hunger is full to avoid dying of starvation. Yep. Let's make it faster, so you really have to run away from it. Oh, it's bouncing off the ground. I need to make it like fast. Like you cannot slow down at all. Oh. Maybe not that fast. No. I don't have time to. Running start. Oh no! And then he'll starve. Oh. Oh no. It needs to start a little bit further away. Yeah, it didn't jump high enough. Hi! Oh, you suck. Oh, shoot. You have to jump just enough. Just enough. Just enough. Just enough. Oh. Hey. It's catching me. No. Ah. The average gamer cannot play this. Oh, shoot. This is not for the average gamer. This is for pros. There's hunger mechanics. There's... Oh, shoot. Did you see that? Oh, I got the banana, too. All right, this is the run. This is the run. This is the run. Huh. You gotta dodge that. No. Run, 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 run. Run. It's so close. It's so close, but it's not gonna catch me. Oh, shoot. Wait, can I juke it out? Oh, don't try that. We created a monster. This is horrifying. Shoot. I want to beat it. Hiya. Shoot. I think we've done it. I think this was our Wadiffit for today. We're randomly fall through the ground. There's a hunger system, there's space gravity, and there's a croissant. That was fun. That was fun. That was fun. And we have more to look forward to next week. I'm going to build this, and I'm going to post it to the Wadiffit page on itch, and it's going to be posted on the Discord, so you can check this out. But that was the Wadiffit for this week. Thank you all for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Next week we're gonna start from a clean slate as per usual, and we will create a new Wadiffit. Clean slate, wiped clean. Maybe I'll make a video about this one. Maybe this will turn into a video on the main channel. I don't know. I want to hang out with Otter now.